Smart India Hackathon 2023 VR Team Hacktivate. Our problem statement is AI-assisted telemedicine kiosks for rural India. A huge 75% of rural population of India don't have access to modern healthcare within their localities. Our application can actually solve this problem. So here is our approach. There are 4 different modules. One is patient, doctor, admin and the ASHA worker. Here is an illustration on how a patient can approach our kiosk. Firstly, the patient authenticates himself through his biometrics, and then comes the main feature, which is the patient can actually speak in his local language and fill his details and talk about his problem to the application without needing to enter any details in English. This helps to eliminate language or literacy barriers in healthcare sector. Here is a prototype of our application.
नमस्कार, आपका नाम क्या है?
नंदिनी।
नमस्कार नंदिनी, आपकी आयु क्या है?
20।
आपकी आयु 20। आपकी लंबाई क्या है?
180।
आपकी लंबाई 180। आपका वजन क्या है?
66।
आपका वजन 66। आपका रक्त समूह क्या है?
A पॉजिटिव।
आपका रक्त समूह एयर पॉजिटिव। धन्यवाद, आपकी जानकारी हमें मिल गई है। आपका BMI लगभग 20.06 है, जो सामान्य है। आपके लिए स्वस्थ रहने के लिए अधिक व्यायाम और सही आहार का पालन करना महत्वपूर्ण है। यदि आपको और जानकारी या सलाह चाहिए, तो कृपया एक चिकित्सक से सलाह लें।
हाँ, ठीक है।
क्या आपकी समस्या ऐसी है जिसका समाधान कर सकता हूँ?
मेरे नयन में संक्रमण है।
आप कितने दिनों से इस समस्या के साथ परेशान हैं?
3।
क्या उसके अलावा और कोई समस्याएं हैं जिनसे आप परेशान हैं?
नहीं।
हम आपको एक डॉक्टर से जोड़ने जा रहे हैं। कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें।
After the patient interacts with the application as shown, it connects him to the doctor related to his problem. After consultation, doctor fills the prescription form, which is available in his module. We have seen how interactive the patient module is. Now we'll see the doctor module, which starts with a login page in which the doctor can log in with his credentials. Later, he can give prescription form to the respective patient after the consultation and submit the prescription. One more important feature is that the medicines are delivered to the patient by the local ASHA workers. So now we can see the ASHA worker module also. The first page is login page in which the ASHA worker can log in with his credentials. Then he is directed to a home page where he can get the recent details of the prescriptions to be delivered and also the patient history. And the last and the most important module is the admin module, where the admin can log in with his credentials. The admin can monitor in-time delivery of medicines, and in case of severe cases in which the treatment may be expensive, the admin creates ABHA cards to cover the medical expenses of the patient. The dependencies of our application are a kiosk machine and internet, and as future scope we can add a medicine dispenser and basic medical instruments to the kiosk machine. We included multiple languages in our demonstration to state that our application is multilingual, and here is our conclusion, and thank you.